Hi, my name is Lydia, and I'm going to be showing you how easy it is to apply to Quincy University online. First, we will visit www.quincy.edu to get on the home page, and then you'll click this brown Apply button. Once you're on this screen, you'll scroll down just a little bit until you hit this orange Online Application button. Click on that button, and it will take you to this screen. As you can see, there's a lot of different applications for Quincy University. For example, the freshman application is for those high school students who have not been to college yet. The transfer application is for those in college considering transferring to Quincy University. For this video, I will click on the freshman application. To start filling out the application, you can click here. If you have already started your application and need to pause for any reason, just remember your key numbers to put in here so you can restart later. So here's your first page of the application. So start by putting your first name, your middle name, and your last name. If you are the second or third person in your family of the same name, click on suffix. But if not, don't worry about that. If you have a preferred name, go ahead and put it here, and a maiden name. For your email address, just be sure and put an email address that you check regularly. Next is your date of birth, your citizenship status, and your gender. Consider adding your social security number so financial aid can process any information that you have. Last is religious preference and ethnicity and race questions, and then you're ready to hit next page. On the second page, you can fill out your mailing address. Be sure and use an address that your mail is delivered to, and then at the bottom, please fill in your phone number, a phone number that reaches you the best. And then you're ready for the third page. The third page, you need to click on Anticipated Start Year. So your anticipated start year is going to be the year that you begin classes at Quincy University. Once you click on your start year, you can choose your anticipated start term. Then you can click on your program of interest. So this is going to be whatever major you're interested in. So you can choose from this big long list that Quincy University offers. After you've chosen that, you can select whether you are going to live at home or on campus. Then you're ready for page 4. Page 4, you're going to fill out your high school information. This is so we know where we are getting your transcripts from. And then go ahead and tell us whether you have completed a GED or not. Page 5, you're going to fill out your parents' information. So we have that information and we know who is trying to get in contact with us. If you keep scrolling, you're also going to want to list any siblings, parents, step-parents, or grandparents who have attended Quincy University also. Then you're ready to go to the next page. Here, we are trying to get to know you a little bit, so you can click on activities that you're interested in. Quincy University offers over 30 clubs and organizations that you can be involved in, and 20 NCAA sports. After you've filled out this page, you can go on to page 7. Next, we want to know why you would like to attend Quincy University. A personal statement between 500 to 1,000 words will really make your application stand out to our admissions counselors. After filling out your personal statement, go ahead and click on the next page to take you to page 8. Page 8 includes just a few questions about personal conduct. After filling out these questions, go to page 9. Page 9 is only for students that are interested in the nursing program through Blessing Riemann College of Nursing and Health Sciences, so be sure to either fill it out if you'd like to major in nursing, or you can skip it if this does not pertain to you. Lastly, by clicking on to the next page button of this final part of the application, you are confirming that everything that is listed is correct. When you move on from that page, you will either be notified that you missed a required question or made aware that your application is complete. That's it. Filling out the application is just that easy. If you have any questions or need any assistance, don't hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-688-4295. We look forward to seeing your application.